Guys, I just wanted to show you one of the things that I got for Christmas as a gift from my father. Um, might be asking yourself what this is. Well, it's actually a toolbox. It is made by Great Neck, which is it's a decent brand. It's pretty strong, pretty good metals. Hold on a second. And what it is, it's a 200-piece toolkit with metric and American wrenches and, well, actually I'll show you what it is. Well, see, so what you see here, we have our American sockets and our metric sockets. We have from 4 millimeters to 17 millimeter, and from quarter inch to 17, what is that? 7/16 up here. And then over on this side we have flat blade screwdrivers and we have Phillips screwdrivers. And they give you the different sizes here and right here. This tool right here is really helpful. It's basically, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So it's a screwdriver essentially, but it takes this bit right here, right there, and you put that in, and you can see that square. Like, you can't really see that, but it's square, so you can take like a socket if you want, and you can actually put that on there, and now you have a screwdriver ratchet. That's something that I like to use a lot, and I do use it. I tend to use a lot of these tools. One second. So another thing we have is up here we have a lot of bits. Way up here we have, if I can pull it out of here, this whole carton of bits. Little bits that you can put in this screwdriver that I just talked about. And aside from that, we have bits up there. We have, if you can see that, we have 6 bits, 6 little pieces or things that hold the bits, and we have 6 more over there, and I'm guessing that one's metric and that one's American, actually. Well, I'm not exactly sure how they go. And then over here, we have precision screwdrivers. I guess, if you want to call them precision screwdrivers, they're just a really small kind of screwdriver that you use for small, like, if you get something small, like a little tiny toy, or I don't really use them too often on their actual purpose. I more tend to just poke things with them, like I'm doing my fork seals on my dirt bike, and I had to use these to pry the seals out. They're pretty good. They're pretty strong. Oops, sorry. And then I have my needle nose pliers down here, which I love needle nose pliers. They help out so much. And then I have my little trimmers. And I have just assorted wrenches, well, not assorted, but wrenches, American and metric. I have little extensions of sorts, and I have my hex screws, or hex wrenches, up here. I have my hex wrenches, and those are helpful too. But yeah, so that's my Great Neck 200 piece toolkit. Uh, I would recommend this kit for people. I mean, it's a pretty good, strong kit. It's got everything you need, really. And so comment, rate, and subscribe.